Hello friends, actually all the learner wanna improve English but they don't know how to learn English. Okay, actually all the person wanna be perfect in English but they don't know how to learn English, how to start speaking English. In the video I am going to tell you everything how to start speaking English, how to improve our communication skill because I am gonna tell you everything. Okay, so what before starting the video, I would like to tell you if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So please do the comment and do the like. As you know very well, my name is Rajni and you are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. As I am saying that how to improve our communication skill, but every person wanna improve English but they don't know how to start speaking English, uh, how to learn English. So in the video I am gonna tell you everything how to start speaking English because all the times I told you, because when you start speaking English, when you start learning English without partner, you can use any fake story and then you have the practice, you can have the practice. So in the video I am gonna tell you everything how to start speaking English, how to improve our communication skill, because I wanna give a demo. Okay, because this times I am gonna a fake story and then I am gonna tell you everything how to start, how to speak English with myself. So let's get started. As I have a fake story, and that fake story is actually because yesterday I was going to market and then suddenly I met my friend. Okay, so actually yesterday, because I am I am telling my another friends because my past story, because I was going to market and then suddenly my friend met me. So yesterday I was in my room and then suddenly I decided to go to market and then I said to my mom, actually I wanna go to market. And then my mother said to me, okay, you can go but come back to soon. Okay, okay mom, and say something like this, I started going to market and then I started going to market and then I was going to market and then suddenly I saw my friend was coming in front of me and then I stopped and I saw carefully, because that girl who was coming in front of me is my friend. So then I stopped and then I called, and then oh okay, and my friend saw me and then my friend even stopped. Okay, and then my friend shocked me seeing. Okay, so then and then I came to my friend and then hello Nisha, where are you going? Actually my friend's name Nisha. And then I said to my friends, Nisha, where are you going? Actually I am going to market. Even I am going to market. So then I said to my friend, so let's go, let's go. And then let's go to the market. And saying something like this, I was going to the market along with my friends. And then my friend said to me, hello Rajni, actually tell me now, what are you doing nowadays? And then said my friends, actually you know very well Nisha, you know very well, because speaking English was my passion since school days. So that times I couldn't learn English, so this times I have lots of time and I am having the practice for improving English. Okay, you are learning English? Yes, of course I am learning English, because you know very well, this is my aim for improving English. Okay, it sound good. So saying something like this, saying something like this, then I started going to market. Okay, and then we are going to the market, and then my friend said to me, okay, please let me know. Actually, even I am learning English, but I don't know how to improve our communication skills, so please let me know some suggestion for improving English. Of course, I will tell you because you are my best friend. So saying something like this, I started some suggest for improving English, and then I said to my friend, actually, you should have the practice a lot, because you know very well, without practice you can't speak English. So please, you should have the practice. I know, because I wanna have the practice, but I don't have any more much time. Even I don't have any partner and any environment. How could we have the practice? Okay, this is a your excuse. I know, because I know very well, because this time answer is about to come. Something like this, I know very well. Actually, if you don't have any partner, you can create any fake story, and then you can speak with yourself. Okay, this way is very good for improving English. Even I don't have any partner, and I am having the practice with this way. So you can try something like this. Okay, Rajni. Actually, all the times I think something like this, how to improve our communication skill. I don't have any partner, so thank you for giving the some suggest to me. Actually, I wanna improve my communication skill, but I don't know how to improve our communication skill. So please let me another thing for improving English. Of course, actually, when you are alone at your home, so that time, so when you have lots of time, so that time you can watch English video. Okay, first of all, you should listen. Okay, listening power is very important. Without listening, you can't speak English. Okay, so listening power is very important. When you are be perfect in listening, so after that you can start speaking. Okay, I think this way is very good, and you can use these ways for improving English. Okay, okay, let me now. Actually, all the times I think something like this, when we start speaking English in front of other people, so that time I get afraid of making the mistake. Why? Okay, I know, Rajni. In the beginning, it happens because when we started speaking English, so that times already I got scared. Even I got scared. So please don't worry. Don't focus more much. Even making the mistake, because these times I am making the mistake. People are laughing at me. So please stop it. Okay, don't stress. Do your mind. Okay, so only try to speak English, because you wanna improve your communication skill. Okay, your speaking is your aim. Okay, so please avoid this thing and go ahead. Okay, and take the step. Okay, first step is very important when we start speaking English. So please don't afraid of making the mistake. Only try to speak English, and definitely you will be improved, because I am using this way. And I something like because I feel something like this, I am being the perfect. So that's why I am telling to you. Okay, then we are talking to each other. So that time I got remind, because I have to go. My mother said to me, come back to soon, saying something like this. And then I said to my friends, actually, Nisha, I have to go, please let me go, because my mother said to me, please come back to soon. Okay, so let me go. Okay, so saying something like this, I left from there. And as well my friends left from there, so that I reached my home. So I think this is a fake story you can create in your mind, and then you can speak with yourself. Okay, this is a very good way for improving English. If you wanna improve your communication skill, definitely you will be improved, believe me. Okay, so please take the step. Okay, without hesitation, without thinking any mistake, only try to speak English. Definitely you will be improved. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.